Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about straight line depreciation as part of interest and depreciation. So straight line depreciation is when an item's value decreases by the same amount per period, while declining balance is when item's value decreases by the same percentage per period. So we have a formula here where salvage value equals the initial value, or VO, minus the amount of depreciation times the number of periods. Very important you write this formula down. Let's go through a few examples. So, some office equipment is purchased for $64,000 and depreciates by $5,200 per year in a straight line method of depreciation. The question's asking, find the value of the equipment after 2 years. So we use the original formula where your salvage value equals your original value, which we know is 64,000, minus the depreciation per period, which is 5,200 per year, times the number of periods. And this says after 2 years. So we just chuck that in the calculator and you get that after 2 years, that office equipment is worth 53,600. Now the next part of the question says, when will the equipment have no value to the nearest month? So here we know that the salvage value is 0, no value, equals the original value minus the depreciation per period times n. Now we don't know n, we know everything except n. So I can simplify some of this to get up to there. Now I need to use trial and error to figure out n. No, I can just divide both sides by negative 5,200 using equations, and I get a decimal. Now, how do we convert a decimal to months? So that's obviously 12 years, 12.3 years, but the question's asking to the nearest month. So what we do is we know it's 12 years, and we do 0.3076, which is the rest of the decimal, times it by 12. And we get 3.69 months, which is, to the nearest month, 4 months. So it's going to take 12 years and 4 months to get that office equipment down to a 0 value. Okay, I have some quick questions here for you guys to try yourself. Pause the video, give them a shot, and then unpause them to go through the recommended answers. Okay, there's the recommended answers. Hopefully you got them all right. Till next time, take care.